post 1,000 subscribers. Thank you yet again, guys, for coming through for your girl, subscribing, hitting that like button, commenting down below, and keeping the engagement going. I really appreciate you. And I just want to say again, thank you so much from the very bottom of my heart. Now, in today's video, I'm going to bring you something that I think a lot of people have been curious about, which still keeps with the trend or the theme of alternative makeup removal products. So last week I brought you something from a really small company, but still that still I believe makes really good quality products. And this week I'm bringing you the OG from Clinique. Now this is the Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I'm sure that a lot of you guys know about. I just went and I got the biggest size that I could get, which I believe is a 125ml in this tub, and that's how big it is compared to my face. This cost me 350 Rand from Foschini, and I do believe that Foschini has the cheapest price compared to the other stores that, oh my god, it has like a reflection thing, compared to the other stores that I saw that actually stocked this. So if you are looking at getting this Clinique product, check it out at Foschini. I'm sure it will come in cheaper. So before I get into this, I just want to start off by saying I definitely couldn't wait till I had time to review it. I went ahead and I reviewed it. I tried it this week, and oh my gosh, the difference between this and the other product that I tried, literally night and day. Like, it's crazy. So I'm just going to get into the claims, and then I'll start applying it, and I'll tell you guys the differences that I'm feeling and sensing and smelling and all of those good things as I get into the review. But I just want to start off with the claims so that you guys know what Clinique is offering with their cleansing balm. So obviously, as we know, Clinique being Clinique, it is allergy tested and it's 100% fragrance free, which is fantastic. It's also ophthalmologist tested, which is fantastic. So what it says is it's a lightweight cleansing balm. 100% agree, and I'll get into it. It says that it quickly dissolves tenacious face and eye makeups, including those with sunscreen. It transforms from a solid balm to a silky fluid oil upon application. It cleans thoroughly, it's non-greasy, non-drying, and it's for all skin types. It says use fingertips to massage balm all over dry skin and rinse well. Okay guys, so I'm going to get into the application. Should probably wash my hands first. Let me wash my hands, I'll be back. And I should also roll up my sleeves because, and take off my watch. I'm trying to get this and all my makeup on it. So I'm just going to come in closer so you guys can see. As you can see today, I've got on quite full coverage makeup, and as you can see, I've got a lot of layers of mascara on my lids, or not my lids, what do you call these, lashes. So I've even got eyeshadow. Like, guys, I semi-went in on my makeup today for work, so because I really wanted to put this to the test, and also I wanted to match, guys. I wanted to match. I hope you saw the matching. Anyway, I digress. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put on with clean hands, rolled up sleeves. I'm going to dig my nail in, the back of my nail, and just get some of that product out. I'm going to use this much, okay? So as I smooth it onto my hands, what I do notice about this is it does definitely feel silkier. There's absolutely no smell to it. It just smells like normal Clinique products. And upon putting it on the face, guys, to me, this feels less like I'm applying Vaseline. It feels a lot more like coconut oil application on the face. And I know a lot of people have spoken about coconut oil being an amazing makeup remover. So they would essentially just take coconut oil and do exactly what I'm doing, but do it with coconut oil. Oh, I've got this in my eyes. Probably won't be able to open my eyes after this, but just bear with me as I talk you through how this feels. So as I mentioned, yes, it does feel silkier. It feels much lighter, not as thick as the other one that I tried out last week. The product does dissolve mostly, and also I feel like it works much faster because as I'm taking peeks of my face, I can see that a lot of my makeup has kind of lifted off of my face and is now a oily mess, but it's okay. So that's how my hands look. I'm just going to continue massaging it on my face and making sure that I've covered all of the spots that could possibly come off. So yeah, this definitely does feel way better. And I'll also tell you about the rinsing differences that I noticed when I go and I rinse my face. I'm just gonna wipe my mascara a bit so that I can also take that off. The one thing that I did notice with Clinique is that it didn't take my mascara off as quickly as the other product, but everything else it did way better. Okay, so I'm just gonna continue going in the circular motions, and you literally don't even need to work as hard. So I'm gonna go and wash it off now, and then I'll be back to show you guys the end result. Okay, so yet again, coming here with a wet face, I'm gonna use my face cloth to kind of like wipe my face down so that I can show you guys. This is crazy how much makeup is on. Like, you cannot spot any makeup. It's so insane. I'm everything, guys. Look at my face. Squeaky, like I've honestly never seen such results in my life. So as I mentioned, there's something that I wanted to tell you guys that I noticed that was different between Clinique's cleansing balm and the other one that I tried. I look so weird on camera. Just ignore how weird my face looks. I'm doing this for the content. So what I noticed is, because it is a thinner oil, it really does feel like coconut oil on my face. So what I noticed is, when I washed my face with the previous cleanser that I used, or cleansing balm that I used, the oil would stick on my basin and it would leave like a brown kind of ring wherever the water contacted the product and stuck onto my basin, or yeah, my basin. Whereas with this one, it almost completely like liquidates when it touches the water. It doesn't feel like you're rubbing oil off your face. It just comes off so quick. Like, even my hands, like, they're so dry. I need to actually go into like toning and moisturizing my face super quickly, because as you can see, it's pretty dry. Everything came off. So I must say, like, this stands the test of waterproof makeup 100%. Another thing that you know about waterproof makeup is that it actually does make your basin really super dirty if you're going to wash it off directly. So that's why you start off with wipes, and then you go with your cleanser so that it can, you know, go off in steps, and that you're not washing so much product. With this, you 100% don't need to do that. You can go directly on your face, dry, go and wash your face, and when you're done, your sink is white. Literally no brown spots, no splatters. If there are splatters on your basin, just put water on them and continue, and it completely just goes down the drain. It's fantastic. It washes off well. It removes a lot more makeup than the other balm, as you guys have seen. My face cloth was 100% clean, which to me is ridiculous, because I'm just like, how does that happen? It's borderline witchcraft. It's insane. But yeah, guys, it's going to be a very short video. It is my review of the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, and I say 100% go and get it. I will never stop restocking this product. I think it's freaking amazing. The best cleansing balm I've come across. So of the two cleansing balms that I've tried, I definitely recommend this one. I say go and get it. It's also just probably 30 Rand more expensive, and this is definitely a more reputable and more recognized brand in the beauty market. So I say, if you want to, and I think you get a lot more product as well, 125 ml. So if you're looking for a cleansing balm or an alternative way of removing makeup super quickly at night, then I recommend the Clinique Take the Day Off. It really is everything and more that people rave about. It's literally everything. All those reviews and how people go crazy about this is literally legit. It is the real deal. So yeah, I'm really happy that I went out and I got this, and I hope that this helps you if you've been on the fence, tottering about, should I get it, shouldn't I get it, should I say get it. 100% get it. It's so effective, it's amazing, it's fantastic, and it's a brand that you can trust. So I think that actually also makes you feel comfortable in using it, because you know you're getting value or quality on your face or on your skin. So yeah, guys, that's about it from me. If you enjoyed the video, I'm sorry for looking so weird, but if you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions around this Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm, meet me in the comments down below, and I'll answer all of your queries and all of your questions. Until next time, guys.